Yo, well, I don't really give a shit. He doesn't, but I do. Because you know why, Steve? Because you're like the best guy I know. Out of everybody else out there, I would, like, if there's a boat that was on fire and innocent children are burning and you were on that boat, I would save you over those innocent children that haven't done anything. Because the amount of times that you've been there for me, and the amount of times that you've let me sleep on one of your coaches or anything like that means the world to me. Steve Casey, never change. I love you! I love you. You are a beautiful body and a beautiful soul. I love you, Steve. Happy birthday. Get fucking hammered.
My name is Steve. I love you, Steve Casey. I love my first baby. I want to have you with you so you can have my first baby. And then we can love them together.
Best it's for your 20th birthday! Yay!
Steven, I love you, man. Have a good 20th birthday.
Happy birthday! I love you!
Wish Steve, yes, a happy 20th birthday. Live long and prosper. Adorable happy birthday. Live long and prosper, my good sir.
Is it recording? I love you, Steve.
I'm probably really close.
Happy birthday, Steve. I love you. You're pretty bad. I'm gonna croak your balls later.